Hello, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good, thank you for asking. How was your day today?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. And what is today's topic, Iniya?
About birds.
Birds. Okay.
Yeah.
Just tell me, do you like birds?
Um, Sorry, I can't understand.
Do you like birds?
Yeah, I like. What about you?
Yeah, birds are cute and
Okay.
innocent also, so I like them.
Oh. Do you have any birds?
No, as a pet,
Okay.
I don't have any bird.
Okay.
What about you? Do you have any bird as a pet?
No.
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 Would you like to have?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
What about you?
I would love to have birds as a pet.
Okay. What kind of bird?
Uh, like a pigeon or a peacock, like these birds.
A peacock.
Yeah.
But we should not keep it as its pet, no?
Yeah, but I would like to have them when I will have a garden kind of place.
Oh, okay. I understood.
Yeah. Then only.
And if you had an opportunity to become any kind of bird, what kind of bird would you choose?
I would like to be an eagle.
Oh, eagle. I may know the reason.
Yeah, because I think it can fly the highest.
Yeah, you are right.
Yeah, I would love to fly, and also it is considered as one of the a dangerous bird and also a smart bird. Like,
Okay.
yeah, it has a lot of qualities and specialities. So I would love to be a eagle for a day or whatever.
That's great.
What about you? What would you like to become?
Mm, I didn't think so want to become, but you know that they will say no vultures, resorts, like that kind of bird.
Oh.
It would be like in the size it would be huge, but it will eat the dead remains of the dead animals.
Hmm.
That kind of bird, like buzzards, vultures,
Okay.
kind of eagles only.
Okay. And
Okay.
do you think that birds are smarter than animals, or do you think that animals are smarter?
I think so both are equal because you know that crow will put that stone in the pond and will drink water.
Yeah.
So I think so both are equal. What about you?
I think animals are smarter than birds
Why?
because I think animals are they're kind of selfish as well, you know.
Yeah.
And they like if they have anything to eat, they will never let other animals. Like some of the animals let them eat, but some of the animals never let the other animal eat that. So,
Yeah.
but birds are not like that.
Yeah, it would fight.
Yeah, and also I think birds are like more of innocent kind of creatures, and animals are smart and also intelligent, in my opinion.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you name a bird that can't fly?
That
Can't fly.
they can't fly.
Yes.
Um, this is a hard question. Hen.
Hen.
Yeah, it is a kind of bird, but it can't fly though.
It can fly, but not like that, the way other birds fly. But there are some birds, they even cannot like go for a little up by their feathers.
Mm, no idea. What?
Ostrich.
Sorry, can't repeat you.
Ostrich.
Oh, ostrich.
Yeah.
I forgot it.
Yeah, sometimes it happens. We know answer, but we cannot remember that at this like at a point of time.
Yeah,
And also penguin.
yeah, you're right. Penguin can't able to fly.
Yes. Why do you think that they cannot fly?
Because, ostrich is heavier in body weight
Yes.
and its feathers are very little. And penguin is the same, but when you compare to the other birds' features, other will be like standing, but when you compare penguin, its feather or wings are also very small. Also, the body will be straight as it is a human-like, structure like a human.
Yes. You're right.
Okay.
And what do you think? Why do birds have feathers and animal doesn't?
I think so that they are nature to fly up on the sky, and for escaping from the animals, they having the feathers to fly. But if the animals also had the body weight and the hair weight doesn't take that much time to fly, also they are eating like non-veggies, like meat, fish, and birds also used to eat, but animals are different from that. And the animals can easily hunt the birds if they have them. So I'm thinking so.
Yeah. And why do some birds make different? Every bird makes almost a different sounds, right?
Yeah.
Do you like that sound or your voice?
Yeah.
Okay.
Peacock sounds like cats meowing.
Yeah.
Like all the birds have their unique sounds, right?
And there are some people who find it irritating. What is your opinion about it?
They are not they're not interested in hearing that. They're singing, it is irritating.
Yeah, what is your opinion about it? Some people get really irritated when they hear birds chirping.
They are not attached with that. I think so. They are not attached with the birds that much, and also they are they're not fond of sounds that much. I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, what is your opinion about that?
I think people are very nowadays. I can say they get irritated easily, and they get frustrated by anything very easily. So they don't have patience to hear that noise. If birds are chirping nearby them, so they cannot take that. They feel that it's irritating. So because of lack of patience and lack of empathy towards the birds and animals, that's why they do that. Yes.
Okay. Any other questions?
Yeah, please wait. Yeah, okay, sorry. I want to ask you that if you could have birds as a pet, would you like to have them?
Yeah, but no.
Why? Do you think that it's very time consuming and you need a lot of care, time to take?
No. In my area, feeling surrounding with a god in a law, they will say big god. No, they they will
Yeah.
put some coconut leaves like that kind having. So more snakes will be there. If I keep a bird as a pet, it might eat or kill. I already had a pet pigeon and it was bitten by a rat and died.
Okay.
So I don't need.
Yeah, it feels bad when a pet dies. It's very hurtful.
Yeah.
Okay. I think people have different opinion to have birds or like to have birds as a pet or not. Because some people think like you have to take care of them, you have to, maintain them. So.
And want to increase them.
Yeah.
They're singing good because nowadays, because of the phone rays and another something, the birds are nowadays dying of that.
Yeah. And also, do you think that in summers, especially in summers, do we need to take care of them or do we need to show some extra love or some extra efforts for them?
Yeah, because in summer we can't sit in the house, right? We used to put the fan and we want to always give them water.
Yes.
How the birds can be there?
Yeah.
Think about that. They need water, right?
Yes. So what we can do for them in summers?
Just you want to take a big plate and want to pour water and want to keep it in the high place so they can drink water and some food so they can eat food.
Yeah.
And what is your opinion about that and what you want to do for that?
I think in not only summers, but in summers everyone should do that. But otherwise, we should keep like a pot of water for them and some of the grains. Like if they are hungry, they can come and eat. It's very important.
Yeah, you are right.
Like in every house, if you have terrace or not, we all have some place to keep things for animals or birds. So I think we should do that. It would be very good for them as well and for us as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And why do you think that birds build their nest?
Sorry?
Why do birds build their nest?
To save themselves and their child because they are so already weak. In the high trees it may rain or it may be summer season and the wind may be strong and they can't sit in that tree. They need a proper place that may help them and sit like they can sit quite free and the eggs may sit like they may kind of that. They want to put eggs. They can't put in the branch, so they nest, I think.
Yeah. And don't you think that they are intelligent only? That's why they make it, because it's a very difficult thing to make a nest.
No?
No?
No.
Then what is your opinion?
For my mind for this question, that's a short coming.
No, it's okay. The nest that we see, it looks very complicated to make. So, how do you think that they make it?
The word is not coming in my mouth. The bird may take the sticks from they will say broken branch after the little
sticks.
They were used to take that and build it.
Yeah.
And it is quite easy for us, no?
For us, for not them, no?
Yeah.
I have seen a video like a few days before. It was like a bird was taking small rocks, like very small rocks and it was taking it from one place, and it was taking that to another place, which was very far away, and it was making kind of a nest, but it was very different. Not like the way we see on the. It was not as well on the tree. It was on a
Ground, right?
wall.
Oh, that one I also saw. And some birds may use the mud and for sit. Some birds will dig the mud with the watery side and will build in the high of a tree. And some birds trick the snake and do their house. And one bird has their own signature house.
Yeah, that's so like fascinating and interesting thing, no?
Yeah.
Every bird has like we see them as a bird. They can fly only, but they have some different minds and ability to make nest.
Yeah, you are right.
Yeah, so it's quite interesting.
Yeah.
And do you think, how do baby birds grow inside the nest, and how do you think that they grow inside the nest?
You know, I learned for 10 days or more, maximum 15 days, the birds will, their mother and father may feed them, and after that, they start to teach them how to fly.
Okay.
And they learn and they will free after that.
Yeah. So a bird feeds another bird until a period of time.
Yeah.
It is also very like, in my opinion, it's also very fascinating and very different thing. Like, how do a bird know that I should feed this bird? It's very small and all of because it's nature, and that bird is mother. So that's why.
Yeah. But you know, that one kind of bird used to take its egg and put it in the crow's place, and used to kill crow's egg, and so that the crow will grow its child, so it will feed. After some time, the crow will realize that it is not that, and the bird used to take and start to teach how to fly.
Oh.
I forgot its name. I think so it's sparrow. No, not sparrow.
Yeah.
It's something else, but I forgot its name.
Oh. Like, when we know about these birds and animals, it sounds so, like, unbelievable, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And there are some birds who can swim as well.
Sorry?
There are some birds that can swim as well.
See?
Swim.
Yeah. Like dog.
Yeah.
Swan. I think so they can fly for a minimum height, right?
Yes.
Like some birds which live in the land and in the fish, like, you know, they may say, you know.
Yeah. It's
flamingo.
Yeah. Flamingo.
That kind of bird may fly far away and reach their destination and live. But I don't think so ducks and swan can fly that much.
No, it cannot fly that much. It can fly to a certain level only.
Height.
Yeah. Certain height. And can you name a bird which can see only at night?
Owl.
Owl and?
And they say no vampire bird.
Bat.
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you think that this bird is very dangerous looking bird?
No, they are also a kind of bird, and they doesn't harm anybody, and they didn't harm anybody. They are some weird, some other birds, but they are, no, like normal birds they are.
Yeah, but that bat has red eyes.
Yeah.
Red color eyes.
They may see, their vision is see at the night, no?
Yeah.
So morning they can't see. For that, God, the nature may give them a red eye.
Yeah, it can be the reason.
Yeah.
But as a human, when we look at them, it looks very scary, because we have,
Yeah.
they use this bird in horror movies, right?
Yeah, because it looks like scary and the human will be scared a lot, so they are using. But I don't think so. It is that much scary.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So according to you, do you think that birds are scary?
No?
Oh, according to you, which bird looks scary?
None of them.
Oh, okay.
All just normal.
So, name a cutest bird in your opinion.
Pigeon.
Pigeon?
Yeah. And peacock.
Okay. What is your favorite bird?
Mine is peacock
Peacock. Okay.
and swan.
Yeah.
Also a flamingo, because it is unique, right? With the long leg and the body will be in pink color, and it milk will be also like baby pink color.
Yeah.
So I think so it is unique, so I like it.
Okay. If you were a bird, so what type of bird would you want to be?
I already answered this question, like vulture
Oh,
and
yeah. Yes.
lizard.
Yes. But your answer is different from the birds that you like. That's your favorite, no?
Yeah, but these are my favorite. But I think that kind of bird's life. We also want to see how their life is, right?
Yeah.
These are my favorite, but that are like, what can I say? They are like, when I see that, it was like, wow, nice.
Okay. Yeah, they are it looks also very good, and it feels also very good.
Yeah.
To be a bird. Like everyone, I think every human wants to be they want to fly once in a life.
Yeah, you are right. And also, my dream is to become a pilot, fly under the sky.
Oh, you want to become a pilot?
Yeah,
Oh, that's great.
to fly like a bird.
Okay, just to fly.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, pilots have great, opportunity to not fly, but yeah, they can experience that feeling, how it looks.
Yeah, because we are in the front, it looks like our eyes.
Yeah.
The passengers which we are sitting, it looks like our heart and the body.
Yes.
And the airplane looks like our wings. And when we are flying, it exactly looks like we are flying.
Yeah, that's right. So you want to become a pilot?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes?
Hello.
Yeah, you were saying something.
No, I'm not.
Okay. So I think, Iniya, it was a great conversation with you.
Yeah.
Thank you for answering the questions, and now it's time to hang up.
Yeah, okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a great evening. Bye.
Bye.